Radial Instances is a simple modal tool that generates linked duplicates. As the tool is viewport dependent, assigning a shortcut is recommended. The center point of the circle is determined by the location of the cursor. The axis of the circle is determined by the selected object's axis, relative to the viewport. When modal, you can use the mouse wheel, or the number keys to set the instance count. Use Control and mouse wheel to limit the degrees used. Please remember, all available shortcuts are listed in the status bar at the bottom of the screen. The radial instances can be reactivated in adjustment mode, a pseudo non-destructive mode where you can change the instance count and degree limit. Activate by simply running radial instances again on a selected set. Do note that the viewport angle no longer matters in adjustment mode. With Auto-Align, the object will be automatically aligned with the center point. Auto-Align can be toggled off for certain use cases. When using Auto-Align, the object is aligned towards the center on a 2D plane. This can be toggled to 3D. All the defaults can be customized in the shortcut editor. For example, the automatic empty parenting can be disabled. Do note that adjustment mode will not be available without the group empty. You can also instance multi-object selections. Additional objects will become parented to the active object.